2 girls, same age, same city, almost the same salary. But 5 years later, one of them lived peacefully with savings, freedom, and stability. The other was trapped in stress, debt, and constant financial anxiety. What created such a massive difference? Not luck, not income, just a few daily money decisions. This is the story of Anya and Riya. And honestly, their lives reveal exactly what to do and what not to do if you want long-term financial stability. When Anya and Riya got their first jobs, both were excited. Their salaries finally gave them independence, but they treated money very differently. Riya immediately upgraded her lifestyle. New phone, expensive clothes, weekend parties, luxury cafe photos online. She wanted to look successful. Meanwhile, Anya did something simpler. She enjoyed her salary too, but quietly. She bought only what she genuinely needed and automatically saved part of every paycheck. At first, their lives looked identical. Actually, Riya's life looked more glamorous, but the difference was already beginning. Every time Riya received a raise, her expenses grew immediately. Better apartment, more subscriptions, costlier habits. No matter how much she earned, it never felt enough because her lifestyle kept expanding. Anya did the opposite. When her salary increased, she increased her savings first. She still lived well, but she didn't feel the need to impress people who weren't paying her bills. Then one day, both faced unexpected problems. Riya's laptop broke during an important work project. At almost the same time, Anya had a family medical emergency. Both situations were stressful, but their reactions were completely different. Riya panicked. She used her credit card, borrowed money, delayed payments. One problem created 3 new financial problems. Meanwhile, Anya opened her emergency fund. She handled the situation calmly. No panic, no debt spiral. That's when the real truth became visible. Financial stability isn't about luxury, it's about preparation. Riya also had another habit. Whenever she felt stressed, lonely, or tired, she spent money. Online shopping became emotional therapy. Temporary happiness, permanent expenses. Anya noticed this pattern early in herself too, but instead of shopping, she built healthier routines. Reading, cooking, morning walks, calling friends. She learned that peace cannot depend on purchases. And over time, her emotional control became financial control. 5 years later, Riya owned more things, but also more stress. Monthly payments, debt, constant financial pressure. Meanwhile, Anya owned less, but had more freedom, more savings, more peace, more choices. She could leave toxic jobs, travel without fear, rest without guilt. And the biggest surprise? She didn't even earn dramatically more than Riya. She simply managed money differently. One evening, Riya visited Anya's apartment. It was simple, calm, organized. No luxury everywhere, no fake perfection, just stability. And for the first time, Riya realized something important. Real wealth is not about looking rich online. It's about sleeping peacefully at night. That moment changed her mindset forever. She stopped chasing appearances, started saving first, reduced unnecessary spending, built an emergency fund, simplified her life. Slowly. Her anxiety started disappearing too. The truth is, most financial problems don't appear overnight. They grow quietly through small habits repeated every day, and financial stability works the same way. Small, intentional choices, repeated consistently. The difference between stress and freedom often comes down to simple rules. Don't spend to impress people. Save before spending. Build an emergency fund. Avoid emotional shopping. Keep your lifestyle simple even when income grows, because minimalist money habits don't just protect your bank account, they protect your peace. If this story made you rethink money differently, subscribe for more videos about minimalist living, productivity, and financial peace. And tell me in the comments, which person did you relate to more, Anya or Riya?